Hey there, I'm Parth Doshi. So I'm starting a new series of videos on my YouTube channel that is going to be about Python projects. So I will be showing some small Python projects that you can practice as a beginner in Python. It is not going to be specific to some data science projects or ML projects or AI projects, but they are going to be general Python projects which a beginner should practice to learn Python and get a more gist about the Python programming language. So this first video is about converting an image and extracting the text from that image into, you can say, so basically what we are going to do in this video is we are going to write a small piece of code wherein we'll be taking input a image, and whatever text is there in that image we are going to extract that text. So let's get started. So I have pre-written the code over here. Let me explain you each part of this code. The first one is import PyTesseract. So this is the OCR engine which we are going to use. OCR is basically optical character recognition. So we are going to recognize the characters from our image and going to extract them. So this is one of the most used OCR engine in Python. So I'm going to use this. So the first one is import PyTesseract. The second line is import OS. OS is basically when we are performing operations with our operating system. So at that time, we need to import OS. Now the third one is from PIL. PIL is basically Python image library. So since we are performing operations on image, basically we are going to read an image, we are going to convert it. So for that reasons, we need to have PIL, and from that, as you can see, I have written from PIL, I'm importing an image. So that is the library which I'm importing from Python image library. Now, if you see the fifth line, that is pytesseract.tesseract.pytesseract.tesseract.cmd. So what I'm doing is here I'm giving the path, the file path of my tesseract installation. So here you need to specify that, otherwise you will see an error. PyTesseract path is not specified. Now, if you see, there's a small r over here. This R denotes that these are raw strings which we are indicating as a path. So we, as you can see, there is a backslash over here, not a forward slash. So here we are specifying the path. So for this reason, we are using that R keyword. Now, how to get this tesseract.exe file? So for that, I will be adding this link in the video description so you can check this out. So from here, depending upon your operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit, you can install it respectively. So once you click on this, there will be a setup. So just install it, and there are all guidelines written over here. So I'll be adding this link in the description. Now, what I'm doing here is def. I'm defining a function convert. So this is my function name, and this is like defining a function. So now first what we are doing is we are taking a variable img in which we are opening an image and storing it in that particular variable for further processing. So let me show you the image as well. So this is a very simple image from which we are going to extract the text, the complete text using the tesseract OCR in Python. So the first line of the main function is image equal to image dot open image dot png. So this is our file name which I have specified in the single quotes. So this is the file which we are going to open. Now after that, what we are doing is text is equals to. So here now we are going to extract the text using the PyTesseract. So now you can't just directly import. I forgot to add that you can't just directly import all of them. You need to install them. So this is the Visual Studio Code 2019 version I'm using. So in here in new terminal, what you need to do is you need to type pip install PyTesseract. So since I've already installed it, I'm not doing it again. Same procedure for PIL. So this is how you need to install them, then only you can import them. So this was the step I forgot to mention. So now we were here. So in text, we are going to store the converted text, that is going to be pytesseract dot our image to string. Now what we want to convert, which image? that we are specifying in the brackets. So let me just do this again. Dot image. You can see there are multiple options over here. Image to PDF or HOCR, OSD data. I will be making videos on these concepts as well, but for now we need this string in bracket my image which I have opened. Now I'm going to just basically print using the print statement, print the text which we have extracted. So this is, you can see, only 10 lines of code. If we exclude the spaces, there is just 10 lines of code we have written to extract the text from this particular image. So now let me just save this file and run it. So I'm going to run this and we'll be seeing the text extracted over here. So now my file is running. Okay, so we were, as you can see, we were easily able to extract just by writing 10 lines of code. You can see over here. This is the first line of the text of this text sample. This is the second line of the same text. So we were easily able to extract the data. Now, this was about how you can process an image. So how to open an image, what libraries are required, how to convert it to the text, how to install Tesseract OCR in Python. Everything we saw within, I think, 7 to 8 minutes. Now, one advancement what that can be made over here is we can take this data and write it into an txt file. So let's do that. File one, this is the variable I'm creating. Open. Here we are, I have created output dot txt. Now, comma, I'm going to write a. So what does this a specify? This a specifies that I want to append the data to that file. So what I'm going to do is now file1 dot writ write. I'm going to write the text. You can see we are since storing in this variable, so I'm going to do that. Now every time I run a new image is there, I want it to go on the next line. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify /n, and then we are going to close this file. Let me save this. So I have saved it. Now after running in this output.txt, we should have this particular text. So this is like storing the data what you are extracting, and just I wrote more 4 lines of code. Let me just run it. Okay. Okay, so we have an error in line 13th. So here file1 bracket, we can't write that directly. So I need to specify right over here. Let me save this and run again. So I didn't edit this part so you can understand what are the common mistakes we can make. Now let me just refresh this, open the output.txt. So you can see over here, this I had ran before, but here as you can see, we have appended the data over here. So this is how we were able to extract the data, and in just 10 lines of code, we were able to save the data, not just printing it, but to a notepad file. So let's do a quick recap of what we saw in this video. So in this video, we saw what libraries we need to import and how do we need to import them and install them for extracting a text from image. After that, we saw which OCR engine we are going to use. After that, we saw how to open an image and use PyTesseract function to extract the text from that image. After that, we once ran it and we got the output using the print statement. Now the last advancement what we did in the code is we wrote the data into a txt file. So every time you extract the data, you must be able to save it. So this was a short tutorial about how you can use Tesseract OCR in Python programming language and extract the data from a text. You can try with different images, like how powerful the Tesseract OCR engine is, or to test with your requirements. Thank you for watching the complete video. Please do like the video if you feel the content is good, and do give your valuable suggestions in the comment section on what more you would like me to make videos on. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to all the new videos I upload. I will be uploading many Python projects soon in this playlist. Thank you.